Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be making very fudgy brownies. These are so good and so fudgy and rich, and I'm so excited for you to be trying them. These are what they look like. They are so good. Okay, so first we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Next we're going to take Baker's Joy and spray a glass pan. Now we are going to take a large saucepan and put a stick of butter in it and start melting it. Okay, so now we're going to stir it around, just making sure that every single piece of the butter is melted. Now we're going to turn it off and set it aside. Now that's set aside, we're going to add 2 eggs. And 1 cup of white sugar. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix that all together and making sure the heat is off. Okay, here we have Jesse's 2 breaks. Now we're going to put it in a mixing bowl and add in 1/3 cup of cocoa powder. We use the Hershey kind. I'm not sure if it's good or not, but we've always used it, and since it has Hershey's on it, you know. Now we're going to add in 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour and mix that all together. We also added in 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Clay just didn't hit record on that one. Sorry, guys. Another Jesse break. And now we're going to continue to mix that and making sure that you mix it really well together, because it's okay if it gets really fluffy. You can't ever mix these. Here we go again. This is what happens when your brother is the cameraman. He just shoots a bunch of videos of your dog. Okay, so now we're going to pour this mixture into a glass pan. It is very pretty. And also shake it out once you get it in there, making sure that it's all even. Now we're going to pop it in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Another Jesse break. Who's surprised? Now we're going to make the sugar. We're adding in 3 tablespoons of soft butter. Another Jesse break. And 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And a cup of confectioner's sugar. And here we have 1 tablespoon of honey, and we're going to go ahead and mix that all together. Okay, so now the brownies are out of the oven and the icing is made. We're going to go ahead and put the icing on the brownies. I waited a few minutes before putting it on and then spread it out, almost like melts into there. And now I'm going to go ahead and add M&Ms on top of it all. I like to do the little throwing method. Look how delicious it is. It's so fudgy and so good. Now I'm going to cut a piece and show y'all. These brownies are so good, and just like, look how like moist and everything it looks. They're really good. I don't know if I've said that enough. I really recommend this with some ice cream or a glass of milk. I'll show you that in a second. It's so good and so fudgy. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what you want next. Bye.